If Oxford is the earthly academic haven for students, then welcome to the gateway that leads to it. Introducing Village Walk Student Accommodation, where unforgettable memories are born and comfort becomes your trusted companion. Nestled in the heart of Mississippi's City of Dreams, Village Walk presents a delightful range of modern 1, 2, and 3-bedroom apartments. Whether you choose a snug 1-bedroom or a more spacious 3-bedroom, every room features designer vinyl flooring and stylish brick accent walls, along with a cozy bed, spacious wardrobe, a dedicated study area, and your very own personal bathroom. Step outside your room and you'll be greeted by a world of amenities including a picturesque rooftop lounge, well-manicured outdoor courtyard, on-site retail spaces, and a 24/7 fitness center equipped with a yoga studio. And here's the best part, your Wi-Fi is included in the rent. Speaking of location, you're just a 4-minute drive from the University of Mississippi campus. And when those cravings for delicious dining hit, you'll find a world of options from local eateries to shopping and nightlife, all within a stone's throw from your doorstep. When your college experience is the best, your home should be too. Join the Village Walk lifestyle today by visiting amberstudent.com. Your journey to comfortable, memorable student living begins right here.